Alright guys, welcome to a new video. Today I am cleaning the carpet of the Galant VR4 504 of 2000. So it's really not too bad. A few stains. It's a nice good coffee stain here. We work trying to get that out. Another stain there that I'm going to try and get out. Another stain there. Overall, not bad. There's no rips or tears or anything like that. So first thing to do is vacuum it. And then I'm going to get the pressure washer out, put it on a low pressure, and use this carpet cleaner here. It's just something we use for the house. So it should be good enough to clean, well, it should be good to clean the carpet of the car. So yeah, so I'm not going to scrub it because I don't want to damage any of the fibers. I'm just going to clean it with the soap first and see how that goes. We've got a really sunny day here in the UK, so it's a prime time to get it cleaned. So let's start vacuuming it, and then I'll get it out front, hang it up, and start pressure washing it. All right, got the carpet rested up on the side of the gate here. And I got the mixture put in the Kircher. Basically it's in there, so I put the carpet cleaner in there, and you spray it at a low pressure, and it will spit out the carpet cleaner. And I let it soak in there for a little bit, and then I will hit it back with just water and see if all these stains come off. Hopefully they do, and we'll have a fresh new carpet to go in the Galant when I put the interior back together and it comes back from the body shop. Be all nice and ready to go. Still got a few other things I need to do. There's some panels I'm going to repaint, which I'm going to show you in a later video, so stay tuned for that if you want to see that part. So let's get to pressure washing and see how it turns out. All right guys, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to spray some of the heavily soiled areas with some carpet cleaner just straight onto it, and see if that will help break some of this stain up before I hit it with the pressure washer. So it's probably going to be a good step. Get misted. Yeah, so I'm just going to go around the carpet and find heavily soiled spots and hit it with this. I might agitate it a little bit, and then we'll go from there. All right, so it's going to start at a little pressure, get as soft as I can, so it spits. Basically cover it. As you can see, all the soils are already starting to collect. I moved it off the fence because it's a little bit easier to get some more pressure. So you can see it's already coming off, so it's good. It's a good sign. I'm gonna, some of the heavily soiled areas, I'm gonna use a soft sponge to just to agitate the dirt a little bit to see if it gets some of it out, breaks it up. When I do the final stage of the pressure washer, hopefully it'll break all that out. So I'm just gonna do a light rubbing in some of the areas that I've noticed that are heavy soiled. Now that the carpet cleaner's all in the carpet. Nothing heavy. As you can see, it looks like it's already making a difference just by me going over it with a light sponge. So we'll try to hit some of the areas. just adjusting the pressure to a soft. And I'm going to do it at a not close proximity, whatever that word is. Sometimes you can't speak, but yeah, just a couple feet above it, I think. Anything closer than that, you could risk the damage. So, okay, here we go. Okay, we'll just put a little bit more attention to the soiled areas with using the carpet cleaner again with a sponge. And now I'm going to do the final rinse, and then we're going to let it dry. I can still see some of the brown from the stain dripping out, so hopefully this last rinse will get most of it out. Then we'll let it dry. Okay. It's coming out clear now, so it should be good. I think it's the best it's going to get. All right, guys, let's have a look of the finished product. And I'm quite surprised. It's actually really good. Let's have a closer look. So most of the stains, I mean, there's still some there, but it's mostly gone. So that's where the stains were heavy. And, you know, it looks really good. I mean, it's a little faded here, but I think that's okay. It's a 30-year-old carpet, but I mean, down here it's a lot cleaner than it was. It's really worked out good, that did. I mean, there's a few little stains, little dark areas here, but I'm gonna live with that. That's not bad. I mean, I might just need another vacuuming. I think that'll be it. I mean, there's a little bit more stain there, but for the most part, it's relatively clean. It's really nice. Yeah, so that went well. I mean, you can see a few bits of the stuff coming off here. Might have to glue some of that back on or something to see how that works. But for the most part, I'm very pleased with how this came out. Hopefully you guys can get some inspiration and rip your carpets out and give them a clean and see how it turns out for you guys. No, it's really good. Okay, so that's it for cleaning the carpet. We'll leave it at that. I'll put it in get ready to install down the road when the car comes back from paint. So, yeah, very pleased with that. Right, okay, thanks guys for watching. Next video, hopefully, will be assembling the Galant, putting it back together, which will be really fun, because there's bits everywhere. So, Thanks guys for watching. If you want to see more about the Galant, give me a like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Thank you guys.